length. So, hey guys.
Not playing. Huh? If he's not playing, no.
We just picked it up from the marina too.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, in Havelock, Joe? Yeah, in Havelock.
Looks like a Ford engine, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's it. 2.3.
Oh, it is a Ford.
It is a Ford, yeah.
Oh wow.
According to the marina, they said it is the best.
No, it was.
They said it was the best running 2.3 liter they've seen in a long time.
Yeah, it
It's
looks
just
like
a matter of getting it started.
looks like the one that was in my dad's Cortina.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Sounds quiet, doesn't it? It's nice.
It's not bad. We've done a lot of work so far to this thing. We've had the floor totally redone.
Oh wow.
It's actually got, what is it, a one and a half inch now, Joe?
One.
The floor?
Yeah.
Yeah, it went from 3/4 inch to 1.5 inch. Changed the front seats to give a little bit more room in here.
Cool.
All new foam insulation.
Yeah, new foam underneath everything.
Cross members. all new. Fuck a lot of new.
Yeah, but then you wouldn't have the fun of doing all that work, would you?
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It was a lot.
And it
of
still is. We're just in the process. We're going to start reupholstering the covers and everything. So
minor details.
Minor, yeah.
it
Yeah,
is.
it's time to take it on the water.
Yeah, well, right now, yeah, because it's been off the water all year. This is the first trip for it, so.
That's cool. How old is it?
What is it, Joe? An 89?
Nope. What?
89? 88.
Wow, nice. See a lot of these on here.
Add to all the new parts, it's about a 2018.
Yeah. Yeah, you divide the 88 by 23.
Oh yes, easily. It's a lot of fun.
But I'm also, when something goes wrong,
Yeah?
so much has gone wrong,
That he's pretty
I'm pretty comfortable ripping anything apart on the bitch.
Yeah. Especially with them like Ford motors.
Yeah. Coming in or going out?
No, I'm just I just come and watch people for an hour and then go off and thank
Lot
God,
cheaper that way, I
and then go
guarantee.
off and say thank God I didn't spend all that money on my boat like these guys did.
Yeah.
You know what though? It's a lot of fun, man.
What else are you gonna
It
do?
is, yeah. I used to have I
You
had
want to come out and help us fucking row on the way back?
I had a Sea-Doo a while ago. That was fun launching from here.
Okay, yeah.
This is an old one, the old two-stroke one, you know.
Okay, yeah. Got the old smaller ones.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
Burns, I want to make sure the that's it, eh?
Why is there so many of them? That's a big. Look at the swan.
It says Capri. It could be a Ford Capri.
It is important.
It is.
Yeah.
Automatic choke.
So how? Gonna work on the rail line, bro?
I'm going to. That's what I was. Quiet today.
Yeah.
Let me know when we're free.
Oh, okay. We're free.
See you guys. Have fun.
Hey, you take care. Thank you.
Cheers.
No. Just 1-inch sensor. Just cheap bridge camera. I don't bring my SLR because it's too much to bring here, and the vibration, I don't know what would happen.